Hope Solo, the goalie who once blocked shots on the field, is now dodging the limelight when she's not busy throwing shade or punches. So, where's this scandal-prone soccer star hiding these days? Hope Solo's post-soccer life is like a roller coaster. One minute she's calling out cowards, the next she's passed out in a parking lot. And you thought the World Cup was intense? After getting booted from the U.S. women's national team for calling the Swedes a bunch of cowards because apparently only Hope Solo gets to call the shots, she's been navigating life off the field with all the grace of a goalie in a mudslide. Accused of stirring the pot over equal pay because demanding what's fair is apparently a firing offense. She's also racked up a DWI with her kids in the car for good measure. But don't worry, Solo's not letting a little thing like public disgrace keep her down. These days she's chilling in Asheville, North Carolina, getting in touch with nature and apparently the spirit of her late father, because nothing says fresh start like a tent in the woods. Demons. From the soccer field to the Hall of Fame and now to the great outdoors, Solo's story proves that sometimes the most unpredictable game isn't played on grass, it's life. And if you're wondering what's next, well, stay tuned.